One of the things that MLK said across many of his speeches was the idea of gathering has power and has voice. My name is Kylie Conover. I am the Program and Outreach Manager at Great River Children's Museum. One of the things that we pride ourselves here at the museum is facilitating conversations and joyful play and learning with families. And so at all of the events that we've been a part of with MLK, that's what we've been working to facilitate. And I think that it naturally occurs in these events. And so it's just that joy of being together. And for us, it's that family factor, that families come together and have breakfast and listen to the speakers and learn together.
Well, of course, being part of a children's museum, I'm always a fan of when kids are involved in activities and presentations and programs. So anytime that children are being honored for the little creative geniuses that they are is my favorite part. So I love the essay contest. I love that we involve art in the process because it gives children that agency to tell their story, and you get to see the way the community looks to them through their eyes, which is really the most uplifting part. My name is Cassandra Miles. I'm the Executive Director here at Great River Children's Museum. You can understand the instructions that a self-help book might give you. You know that you're supposed to drink water and give yourself some positive self-talk, but every once in a while you have to revisit that. You might have to flip open that page again and just see it right in front of you to go, yeah, you're right, I should be doing that. It's that reminder to be the best version of yourself, even though you might already be thinking you're doing that. I'm encouraging people to come to this event because that's what it leaves you with, that feeling of. It's that reminder that you can be the best version of yourself, and you have a duty to. You're part of a community. You have a responsibility to make sure that that community is wonderful because of your support, not for you, but with you.